Hi everybody. In this video, I will explain you 5 ideas or 5 source of income that are suitable for homemakers. Homemakers or ladies who take care of their family and their home. You might have come across many ladies who sacrifice their career or leave their job for the sake of their kids, family responsibilities or take care of their loved ones, right? Now these ladies, after some time, if they want to restart their career also, they face lot of challenges in the market because few companies might not take them because they already have some career gap in their career. So because of the career gap, they might not get into software companies or software industries or any job easily. Now that is the time these housewives who are extremely talented and who have sacrificed their career for the sake of their family, they start feeling disappointed. Now this video will definitely help them to boost their morale or to help them. It will motivate them to start again from scratch. In this video, I will guide you 5 business ideas or source of income for these super talented homemakers. My first business idea is they should definitely start a business or homegrown business. What kind of business these homemakers can start? They can start pickle business, they can start organic rice, organic vegetables or these kind of business starting from their home. Yes, all these business ideas require very less or minimum investment. Selling pickles or organic veggies or organic any food, those are the number one thing that are in hype or in demand in the market these days. The second business idea in my list is starting a home kitchen where you can prepare food and start selling them on Zomato and Swiggy. You can also start baking cake or cupcakes, bakery items in home, and you can sell these from your home to different bakeries also and through Zomato and Swiggy also. Home kitchen is a very good idea where homemakers or people can stay at home, at the same time they can start their business, start generating revenue from home itself. The third business idea in my list is to become an influencer, social media influencer. What kind of influence, in what kind of content they can create on social media? Social media like Instagram, Facebook and also YouTube. So content creation is definitely a very lucrative job. If you gain huge number of followers through your reels or your kitchen food making videos on YouTube, once you gain very good number of followers or subscribers, YouTube pays you. That is one source of revenue. At the same time, when you have some good number of followers, brands will approach you for sponsorship. So creating sponsored content, you will also gain some money. So becoming a social influencer or a content creator is the third type of revenue generation business idea in my list for the super talented homemakers. The fourth business idea in my list is starting an Instagram boutique. Yes, you can become a reseller of clothes. Clothes, for example, saris or dress material, ghagras, anything. There is a lot of demand for pattu saris or Kanjivaram silk saris also. So you can become a reseller of these kind of saris. Create an account, a public account on Instagram and Facebook and start selling, start creating content, start posting the updates, new stock on Instagram and Facebook regularly. So selling these saris through Instagram or WhatsApp group, that will also generate huge amount for you. The fifth business idea in my list is homemakers can also learn how to trade in stock market. Yes, you heard me right. Stock market is also a very good place where people can earn money, but you have to be cautious because there is also risk involved in stock market. And homemakers, because they take care of the financials of their home, I would say they are the right people to learn and understand stock market trading, and not immediately but gradually you can see some good revenue generation through your stock market investment also. So these are the 5 business ideas or revenue generation streams or sources for homemakers. You can definitely think about these business ideas and let me know which one is your favorite. You can definitely comment your best suitable source of income that I have mentioned, or if you think something else also, you can definitely comment that business idea in the comment section of this video. If you like this video, please click the like button. My name is Sushmita Madhu and this is my English channel. If you are watching this video for the first time, I have created very good content videos in my channel. Please go and check them, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon for everyday notifications. Thank you so much and namaste.